Welcome to All Motors Brands, your trusted channel for exploring the most powerful, unique, and fascinating machines ever built across land, air, and sea. Today, we take a closer look at one of the most mysterious and ambitious military aircraft projects that never made it to the skies, the A-12 Avenger II. This was a program born from innovation and shaped by secrecy, only to be halted before it could ever take flight. The A-12 Avenger II was conceived in the 1980s as the next-generation carrier-based stealth bomber for the United States Navy. Designed by McDonnell Douglas and General Dynamics, it was intended to replace the aging A-6 Intruder. With cutting-edge stealth capabilities and a futuristic flying wing design, the A-12 was meant to bring radar-evading technology to naval aviation in a big way. Its angular, triangular shape gave it a low radar cross-section, which was crucial for evading detection in high-threat environments. Powered by two General Electric F412, GE 400 non-afterburning turbofan engines, the A-12 was expected to cruise at subsonic speeds with high fuel efficiency. It had a projected combat radius of over 900 miles, making it highly suitable for long-range strike missions from aircraft carriers. The internal weapons bay was designed to carry precision-guided munitions, including laser-guided bombs and air-to-surface missiles, enhancing its role as a stealthy attack platform. Despite its promise, the A-12 faced serious development issues. The aircraft's stealth design proved to be far more complex and costly than originally expected. Technical difficulties led to significant delays and rising costs, pushing the project far beyond its initial budget. Ultimately, the U.S. Department of Defense canceled the program in 1991, citing unmanageable financial and scheduling problems. This was one of the largest and most controversial military project cancellations in U.S. history, leading to lengthy legal disputes and debates about defense spending oversight. Even though it never flew, the A-12 Avenger II left a mark on future aircraft development. Its design concepts and stealth technologies influenced later stealth aircraft, including the F-35 Lightning II. Some of the lessons learned from the A-12 project played a role in shaping the evolution of modern military aviation. Thanks for watching All Motors Brands, where we uncover the full story behind machines that shape history. If you're fascinated by aircraft that almost were legendary vehicles, and powerful innovations from around the world, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future updates.